Why are you sitting on the table? Where will Papa shoot? Oh, अरे रखो नीचे.
This. And put the watermelon to the basin. I'm putting some watermelon here. Then put some oil.
Can I make my aloo chokha now?
Papa, please can you put some oil there?
But I don't need. I need to put oil in the pan for the tadka.
Please, Papa, please can you? Papa, please can you give me the watermelon?
Why would you add watermelon in aloo chokha?
Papa, ooh, give me, ooh.
But why would you add watermelon?
I want to put some oil.
अच्छा लाओ लो. निधि ये गिर जाएगा. देखो उसमें डाल दिया.
लाऊं धो के लाए.
Let Mama wash it. Now can you please go and let Papa finish the shoot? Okay?
No, I'm shooting.
No, you are not shooting. I'm sorry. Papa is shooting. Rimjim, not again. Why did you do it?
Papa, please can I give me my watermelon? I want to cook something. I'm shooting. Papa, don't shoot. I want to put some oil in the pan so I can cook some.
But you are not putting any of the spices.
Never mind. You put oil. We can make spice. Mama, please. Papa, please. Can you open the front? Please.
We cannot open the fan while we are shooting.
Hey!
You cannot touch these things, you know that?
Papa, what is this, Papa?
It's a chopping board.
This oil too.
Oil help us to cook the food.
And also mayonnaise.
What?
Papa, can you please take some green tea and put it in the pan?
Which fan?
In this pan.
It is not pan. What is that?
Green tea and this.
What is this?
This is the... I don't know about this.
You don't know about this.
Can I do it now, please?
Yes.
Who eats the aloo chokha?
Angel. Angel eat the aloo chokha. I'll eat it aloo chokha.
How does Papa make aloo chokha?
Papa, don't take the phone all the time. Just mix all around. Papa, put in the pan. Please.
Okay, once you sing a song for me, I'll do that.
Hickory dickory dock. The mouse is on the clock. The clock's on. The mouse is down. No, I finished my song. Please can put in the pan. Please.
Thank you, Rimjim.
You can go now.
Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. Oh, she's sad again.
Why is she sad? Why is she so
Okay,
sad?
we'll do it. We'll do it right away, okay?
Go and have some race.
Wow, that's a wonderful idea. You can race outside in the corridor.
Baby,